that is a riff from Take 5 by Dave Brubeck. So here it is. So the first chord in your right hand is an E minor first inversion. Middle C's here, and you're going to start to the left here. That's an E minor normal root position, so the first is there, okay? And then it just plays that twice, and then it goes to a D major first inversion, there. So your D root is there, so D up an octave. That's all it is, your right hand is that. If I were you, I'd do 1, 2, 5. And then you can just bring all of the fingers down to the left, to the D first there. You could do that, it's up to you. I do this, I go 1, 2, 5, and then 1, 2, 4. That's what I would do, but it's up to you. The left hand is nice and easy as well. It's just 2 E's and a B. Yeah, that's all that's happening. So here, together, it goes left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And that's all it is. And then if you're wondering exactly what the timing is, there's 5 crotchet beats per bar in this one. So you've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And that's all that's happening, and just repeat that round. Pretty cool, yeah, and then you just need to get the rest of the band to join in after that. Anyway, that's that. Take 5 by Dave Brubeck. Brubeck. Anyway, that's Take 5 by Dave Brubeck.